If you want to know how to activate Nano Banana on your Gemini app, I show you. So first open Play Store and search and Gemini, and make sure you update the Gemini app to latest version. Then open the app. Make sure you turn on the internet connection. Then you can see this option, banana symbol and create image. Click that. This is Nano Banana. Here you can see the Nano Banana mode was added. Now you need to describe your prompt. How you need to generate a photo. You can use this default. I just select this one, create an image of me as a superhero. This is prompt. Now you need to add your photo. Click this plus icon and gallery, and I just add this. Done. So it's added. I just tap send. Now just wait. Okay, it's wow, it's amazing. See? And if you doesn't like this image, try new or try another, something like that, and send. Okay, so like this you can change the color. And this is how you need to use Nano Banana. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini app, watch this playlist.